Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add link in CapCut. Before we start, let me clear you. On video, you cannot put clickable links, but there are few workarounds which you can use. The first workaround is that you need to make something like this. Open this link, you just need to create something like this. Once you do that, click on the text, select default text, and once you insert text, all you have to do simply just right here in this particular section you need to enter your link and just decrease the font size, and just you have to put it like this so that people can see the link and they can basically enter the same link on the browser to open the link. So this was the first workaround. Now the second workaround which many people use is that just make something like this, scan this QR code, and then you need to convert your link into QR code. Like there are many converters out there by which you can make your link into QR code, and once you get the QR code you just need to insert that and just simply put that right here. Okay, and once you do that, simply you have to resize it and put it just next to the arrow. Now people can simply scan the QR code by using their phone and simply able to redirect to your link. Besides this, you can also put links in the description if you're posting video on YouTube or TikTok, as well as you can also put link in the bio of your Instagram account. So yeah, these are some ways which you can use to add link in CapCut. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.